Hey up guys, good afternoon. This is Billy from Will Secure Systems, vehicle security specialist based in Doncaster. Now behind me, as you might be able to see, we've got a lovely Nissan Navara. It's a 2020 model and we've installed the Metatrack Deadlock S5 system, one of our favourite systems at the minute, and I'm about to show you how it works. So as well as being a state-of-the-art tracking system that is fully monitored by Meta, this is also an automatic immobiliser system. We can wire this up in one of 3 different ways. This customer has decided to go for the button press. That means that without pressing the button on this tag, the vehicle will not start. As you can see, my foot is on the brake, the key is in the vehicle, and the van is not starting. Until we press this button, we'll then get 4 rapid flashes of the fob, which means that the vehicle will now start. Once the ignition has been turned off, after a 50-second arming period, the vehicle will once again not start until the button on this tag is pressed. Now, as I said previously, there is 3 different ways we can wire this immobiliser. The first, which you've seen, which is a button press immobiliser. The second, which is no tag, no start, which basically means that if this tag is within the vehicle's vicinity, the vehicle will start. And the last is no tag, 1 start, which means that without the presence of this tag, the vehicle will be allowed to start 1 time, in theory removing the danger and would-be thieves from your vicinity. Then once the vehicle comes to a stop, it will not start again. This is an incredibly secure device and it works with basically anything on the road. So if you've got a vehicle like this or anything else that you'd rather not get stolen, give us a call at Will Secure Systems. We can go through all of our different options and hopefully see some of you soon. For now guys, thank you very much for watching.